Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add DNS records in Spaceship domain. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up a web browser and head on over to spaceship.com. Then from here we might need to make sure to sign into our account or create a new account. Now once we've done that, click onto the All Products tab. Now on the left hand side under All Products, click onto Domains. Now on the far right under Apps, we've got a few options here. We want to go ahead and click on Domain Portfolio. Now this is where all of your domains are going to appear like. So if you don't have any, you can go ahead and start typing the search for your domain and go ahead and purchase it. Now once you purchase it, it's going to appear here. Now on the right hand side, you're going to see your domain URL on the top here, and then below that we've got name servers and DNS. So if you click into that, this is where we can edit the name servers and DNS to connect it to other projects like Vercel, etc. So yeah, once you click in the name servers, we can check out the DNS records, and then yeah, we can go ahead and click into custom records as well. So we've got the A, got the MX, CNAME, SRV, TXT, CAA, etc. So we can start by choosing one of them records and adding that in.